Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're gonna go scan a Shiver Leviathan that goes out of the bounds of the game and kills you, because why not? And we're gonna do this without dying. So we're gonna start our adventure here today out front of the research outpost. We are exactly 1,300-ish meters from the life pod. If you head straight east, you can go bob along the surface until you reach this tower, and then once you reach the tower, just head straight down to the east of it, and then down here is the remains of this research outpost. So to do this, all we're gonna have to do is go shove ourselves in some rocks over to the southeast. There is an outcropping of rocks that acts like a perfect net to capture the Shiver Leviathan right behind the power plant. So we're gonna look for the area of the power plant that butts right up to the dead zone where the giant leviathans spawn, and we're gonna have a grand old time today. So as we approach the generator, we're gonna look for these 3 tanks over here that are kind of to the southeast to like 150, and as we reach them, we're going to glide over top of here, and we're gonna look straight down kind of towards the edge of the map where it goes to no man's land, right? And what we're looking for is, you see how these outcroppings here, they've got all this porous rock that acts like a natural cage, like you could slip your fingers in there if they were smaller? We're looking for that one. You see that one? That's our target. That's where we're going. Now, you might notice as we approach, the red wall of death is here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna back up a little bit. We're gonna get out of our submersible, and then we're gonna approach. It's gonna warn us that we're gonna get murdered. That's fine. We want that. We're gonna get out our scanner, and we're gonna wait, because we're delicious and edible. And who wants to have a nice, tasty piece of us? Any delicious Shiver Leviathans out there who are hungry? So we're gonna be very careful, because that bad boy can actually get pretty close and has one hell of a range when trying to eat us. So we're gonna be very careful, and we're gonna wait till they stop moving before we get close to them. And then we're gonna scan, and we can actually scan them from a pretty decent distance away. And then boom, we're good. And then we're gonna leave, because we don't want to get eaten. And then that's it. That's how you scan the Shiver Leviathan. Be really careful when you get that close to them, though, because when I first just tried to do this, it actually killed me. So, yeah, just be really careful. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to get the scan data for the Shiver Leviathan without dying. So there you have it. There is actually another way that you can do this. According to what people were saying online, I haven't tested this yet. You can actually go into multiplayer, and your buddy can't actually aggro or spawn the Shiver Leviathan, but you can as the host. So you can host a game, have your go out into the Deadlands, spawn one, and then have your buddy scan it, because they'll just be like, oh look, there's a person over here. I don't know about this guy. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.